Hi everyone, welcome to week 3 of our course. I can't believe we're hitting almost the middle already. I think I'd forgotten to share with you that I loved correcting all of your theorist papers from week 1. They were wonderful. I did mention to those of you who are at the meetup that I typically go over the quizzes when I do my video summaries. I had forgotten that as we switched over from Canvas to Blackboard, the correct answers are there for the quizzes. So even if it's a quiz that is a short answer one, if you go back in after I've graded and you click on it, you should have the correct answer. If you're ever confused, or perhaps I clicked something I shouldn't have, or I put a wrong grade, just reach out to me and let me know, and we can either go over whatever your question is. And I'm human, I do make mistakes. So if something looks like I did make a mistake, let me know so we can fix it. So week 3, we're starting with our hot topics this week. If you are assigned to week 3, please make sure that you have your hot topic presentation posted by Wednesday night. And that gives all of your peers Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to respond to your presentation, ask you any questions they might have. And then everybody is responsible for responding to at least 2 of their peers in addition to responding to either the 3 or 4 hot topics that will be presented each week. So I hope, actually, I really look forward to seeing all of your hot topic presentations. There's such a depth and breadth of different topics that it's going to be a great learning experience for all of us. This week, you do have 3 quizzes that are assigned. You have quiz 1, which is multiple choice. Quiz 2 is short answer. Both of them are short quizzes. And then we have our discussion, which is your hot topic presentation. If you have any questions about either the quizzes or the hot topic presentations, feel free to reach out. I look forward to really digging into all the hot topics that we're going to have for this class. It is such an incredible learning experience, I think, for everybody, because hopefully all of us have picked something that we're really interested in and really are either interested or passionate about and can share that interest or passion with our hot topic presentation. So I'm looking forward to seeing all of you this week. And I am here if you need me. And Sunday nights at 7:30, anybody who wants to participate in our meetup, we will be there. Take care.